to the first ever Sony Future Filmmaker Awards.
Saltwater Town is a coastal family drama exploring the generational difference between a father and son who clash over the caravan park they run together when they discover the sea level rise is putting the park that they run under threat. I learnt about the Sony Future Filmmaker Awards through the British Film Institute on Twitter. They funded the production of Saltwater Town and kept us up to date after with the best places to have this film shown and to help it reach a wider audience.
The film talks about Lutz, a survivor of the Pinochet regime, and the conflictual relationship with her mother who supported the dictatorship. The film was very hard for me to be done because I was emotionally involved. I know the protagonist and she's like a personal contact. So it was very hard to be neutral and tell her story from an external perspective.
Please look at your neighbors, friends, business partners, and families. You are not alone. Sony is also with you.